Hello everybody, today I will show you what types of filmmaking I gear use on my filmmaking way as a professional filmmaking, not like super professional like Netflix, but just is good for real, vertical, and some small videos like 1 minute teaser like this, just minimal. I cannot give you like something big budget like this, just small equipment, but this must be you need to start as a filmmaking. Yeah, if you need to good quality like 2025 2026 need to must be like this, so you get make a wonderful videos and wonderful film. So I show you first of all, this my backpack, little bit heavy because this not just like filmmaking as like small and like this, no, this just professional filmmaking in low budget, professional filmmaking in low budget. Okay, so I show you. So this my bag and here all equipment. So first my Sony ZV-A1 camera, okay, and I'm use this two light. After I show you what can I do, this two light, this small pocket light. Sometimes we need like small pocket light on face like this minimal equipment. This is not more expensive, okay. Sony ZV-A1 also, you know that. And this handle, like smart handle, this I use here. This just nothing, all nothing. And this for like a mic, this mic I use, sometime I use just not more expensive, something Boya mic, okay. And these two ND filter and CPL filter, ND and CPL, and this also brand like KNF, both one brand. So this ND, this I cannot use both in one, so sometimes I want to reflection, so that's why I'm use both different, not plus in one, because they're selling like ND filter plus CPL, but I don't want, because CPL sometimes I want to some coffee shot and coffee video, I want to reflection. That's why ND filter and reflection I make separate, okay. This cable C and this USB to cable C. This mostly I charge my camera because I don't have battery charger, because I'm as a travel, this all my also use on travel bag, so I'm use just my C camera and my power bank. I show you. And this box mostly I'm use this first fan, because sometimes I'm use as a hot weather, so I need fan. And this just put up, and here something as you want like equipment. And this some like case, so like something like this. So this all my equipment here. And this another one light, but this my old light, when I'm old, maybe 5 years ago I buy this one, something simplex, but it's very good, 4000 mAh battery and very good light. This one is still more powerful. This two light is not big powerful because it's cheap light. And this Ulanzi still good, it's okay, but it's quickly finish battery. But this one is very good, most powerful light. I like it. And this one pouch for my battery, I'm use two battery because I need to use something big, so when I'm travel, so I don't have time to recharge because I don't have battery charger, I told you. So this I use two battery, and here two memory card, 256 is enough for me. And this one for I'm using here, so I put my phone everything on here, monitor as a monitor, so I'm use like this as a monitor. Is best way to you can buy this one, is very good. And this one just clothes, you can clean my camera, lens, everything, just clothes. And another one, this one is my Holy Land mic, so I'm use this mic as a speaking tool like this mic already I record, so this my mic is very good way. And another one, this one like universe charger and 100 volt, so it's very good charger, you can charge, you can go anywhere. Also here USB-C, here USB-A, and here two USB-C, is very good charger, you can bring anywhere, any country, so you can use This one is very good and 100 volt. So I use my camera, I use my tablet and everything for this only one charger. And this some equipment like this, yani these types of some equipment like cable, charger, dead mic, like this, all and some cable, USB-C cable, USB-A cable, like this. These types of all equipment I use here. Okay, and this one just punching box, so it's good for like camera equipment. So another thing I show you, this my 3 tripod. This one, same 2 and same 3. This one good tripod. I am use anywhere like this. It's good for also vlogging, huh? And this my cleaning box. I am use as a clean, something I need to clean like this. So it's good for like camera, lens, everything I need to clean. So I'm use this one. This one, power bank. This power bank, U green 100 volt power bank. So use everything like camera, battery, charger if you go outside for travel. So use this very well. And this one like screw, everything. So I'm using like when I fit my camera, ring, any equipment I need to fit, so I'm use these tools. So these types of equipment I'm use as my travel filmmaking, and anything I will be shoot easy, fast, crunchy, speedy, spotty, car racing. So this equipment is very best. And last thing, you talk about lens. Only one lens, expensive lens, 1.4 35 G Master lens is best lens. 1.4, you crispy, clear, bokeh, is everything blurry, is too much. So this lens I'm used last 1 year in only one lens, is one of the best lens of my life. Already I'm used before like this 35mm, but 1.4 clear cut image and clear cut everything looking like cinematic. It's heck. Camera use everything. You can use any camera like small camera, big camera, but lens always use G Master. And for me 35mm is not zoom, is not like close, and is best for sport and everything like gym video, car videos, like everything I'm using. And I'm not gimbal guys, I'm not using gimbal. So that's, I'm sorry, because I'm not using gimbal. Hybrid cinematography, and this easy, just only this one. This is my one of the best my travel kit, and this easy, fast and 100% very good quality, nothing any compromise, perfect. So this type of equipment I am use. I hope you like these types of video, and if you want like these types of video is different way, little bit down expensive, just hybrid, bring camera and go. I will be show you on my next video, on my next reel. Maybe this reel enough, because this must be need to shoot for YouTube videos, but another reel. So follow my Instagram, I put on my description, is best way. I will be show you as a short way and quickly way how to you make fast cinematography, hybrid cinematography, and very good. Because for me these types of video quality must be matter for client, for making money. And for YouTube video, storytelling video, no need to, just shoot on by iPhone and that's it, just focus on storytelling. But the client video must be need to quality, because quality is matter for making money, not watching, making money, quality matter. So that's my equipment. I hope you will be like. So follow my Instagram, I will be show you short reel as a how I make as a coffee video like this quickly, fast, hybrid. So see you next time.